Hello guys, welcome to Elite Minds, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to use the Airdrop protocol. Alright, and you'll be needing your Kelpa wallet for this particular protocol. So if you don't have it, please go to Google Chrome, your browser, just type Kelpa wallet Chrome extension, you add the extension to your PC, and that is it. Then you create your wallet, you save your seed phrase, and that's all. All right, so guys, please, before I begin, subscribe to this channel once again, guys. Just click on the subscribe button, and that is all. It won't cost you anything. Subscribe, like the video, and drop your comments if you are having issues. All right, so that's just it. All right, now let's head over to the testnet and interact with the project. All right, so this is it. Now what you have to do is head over to testnet.harborprotocol.1. all right, so once you've opened this website, you head over to their Discord channel. I'm going to drop the link to their Discord in the description of this video, because that's where you will request for your test tokens. All right, so this is it. So this is the Discord. So once you are in the Discord, you verify and you head over to request faucet channel right here, and you copy your address on your Kelpa wallet. Once you've connected to this website, once you've connected, you head over to their Discord and you click on your Kelpa wallet. All right, then open this and you go down to context testnet chain. All right, you click on it, you copy the address, and you come down to this. First you put this $sign and testnet, then you paste your wallet address to request for the test token. Okay, so the test token will be sent to that wallet. All right, so I've done that. You can see it's my name. I've sent this. All right, so I'm going to head over back to my wallet again to request for more test tokens. So I'll go down to Cosmos Hub tests, and I'm going to request for tokens again. I've requested before now, so I'm going to come down and impute this again. And then testnet space, and I'm going to send the address again. All right, so this is it. I'm going to do it for the last one. And note, you can request just once a day, guys. So I'm just doing it for the sake of this video, because I won't be sent any test tokens for today, because I've requested for today. So I'm just showing you guys how to go about it. All right, so you're going to do this once again, and you type testnet space, and you paste your address and you send. All right, so that is it. So as you can see, I can't request again till tomorrow, 23 hours time. So it's once a day. All right, so once you've requested for the tokens, it will be sent directly to your wallet, and you head over to assets and interact with the platform. Just assets and mint is what we'll be using. Okay, so once you click on mint, you head over to CMDX. Okay, and you click on max. Your wallet's balance will appear here. As you can see, this is what I have left, just 4.66 CMDX, and it's showing input greater than the minimum borrowed amount. Okay, so because I've done this transaction before, so that's why it's showing this. All right, for you it will show you mint, and you'll be able to mint. Okay, so that's it for CMDX. And note, you have to do it for CMDX, Osmo, and Atom. All right, so we'll head over to Osmo and do the same. You click on max, and yours will show mint, and you mint. You go back to mint again, and you scroll down to Atom, click on Atom, and request for max. Also click on max and mint, and the transaction will be approved. All right, so that's just it, guys. So once you're done with that, you go over to assets and you click on withdraw. Okay, you click on max and you withdraw. So I've done mine, that's why it's showing 0 over there. You click on withdraw also for Osmo, max, and withdraw. I've done this, so that's why it's not coming up again. Okay, so that's just it, guys. That's what you just have to do for each of them. Okay, it's quite easy. As you can see here, deposit for this is showing, it's going to come up with an error because I've done the transaction, guys. So that's just it. So it's quite easy to understand and easy to use. You just have to interact with the platform to be eligible for the potential airdrop. As you can see, transaction fee because I have low account balance. All right, so the transaction fee. So guys, do it to take action, because looking at this here, it said perform task to claim your Harbor airdrops. It's coming soon. So guys, don't sleep on it. Take action, interact. It won't cost you anything. In less than 5 minutes you are done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Drop your comments if you're having issues and I will do well to attend to it, guys. Okay, so see you in my next video.